Hello, my dear students. Welcome to my channel DigiTeach. I am Sanjukta Kaur, a postgraduate teacher of computer science. Here in my channel, you will get all the videos of CBSE class 11th and 12th syllabus, computer science with Python. And of course, you will get some theoretical concepts and all the videos related to practical concepts of Python programming language. So students, watch my videos, like it, share it with your friends, definitely comment it, and of course, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And you can ask your queries in the comment section so that it will be cleared in my upcoming videos. So thank you students. Hope you all of you clear your doubts after watching my videos. In this video, I want to discuss class 11 chapter number 3, Boolean logic. First of all, what is Boolean logic? Who has developed the concept of Boolean logic? Students, George Boole was a logician as well as a professor of mathematics at Queen's College Cork in Ireland. He has solved the logic problems by using the conventional algebra in his own system of mathematics known as Boolean logic. Boolean logic is otherwise known as Boolean algebra and it is also known as switching algebra. Now, what is logic problems, logical statements, right? So second point, what is logical statements or binary decisions? Bi means two, right students? What is the meaning of bi? Bi means two. So logical statements or binary decisions are those type of statements whose the results are either true or false. For example, if I will say New Delhi is the capital of India, so the answer is true. Yes, New Delhi is the capital of India. Similarly, if I say another statement that there are 5 days in a week, but this statement is not correct, so the answer is false. So such type of statements are known as logical statements or binary decisions. Next is truth values. What is the meaning of truth values? Now students, logical statements you understood. And here one point I want to discuss, that is logical statements are represented by logical variables. Like mathematical variables, logical variables are there. So logical statements can be represented by logical variables. And each logical variable has two values. Either that logical statement is true or that logical statement is false. So a logical variable has two values. So these truth and false, these two values are known as truth values. So here there are basically two type of values. One is true and second one is false, right students? True is denoted by 1, false is denoted by 0, and true is also known as yes, false is also known as no. So here truth values, that means true and false, these values are known as truth values, and logical variables has the truth values. Next point is logical function or compound statements. So here students, one point I want to discuss, what is the meaning of compound statements? Before that I want to discuss that mathematical statement, right students? So already you know that mathematical statements are suppose a plus 3b. This is one example of mathematical statements. So here what I have used, there's some variables I have used, right? A and b, these are two variables. These are known as mathematical variables. Similarly plus, here it is known as mathematical operator, right students? So mathematical statement is the combination of mathematical variables and mathematical operators. Similarly, what is the meaning of logical function or compound statements? So already we have discussed that logical variables. Now, if we combine the logical variables with logical operators, then such type of statements are known as compound statements. Right, students? Logical variables and logical operators. So here, how many logical operators we have? Basically, we have three types of logical operators. That is, here logical operators. One is logical AND. Second one is logical OR. And third one is logical NOT. So students, here logical AND, logical OR, logical NOT, three basic type of logical operators we have. Logical AND is denoted by dot symbol. Logical OR is denoted by plus symbol. And logical NOT is denoted by one bar symbol. This symbol is known as bar symbol. Right students? So if we combine the logical variables with the help of logical operators, then such type of statements are known as compound statements or logical functions. For example, if x is one logical variable, another logical variable is y, and if I will use here plus means logical addition. Right students? Then this is the example of logical statement, logical function or compound statement. Now it is you can read that x or y. So this is one example of compound statement. Similarly, this plus sign here, it is known as logical addition, right students? So This is the example of compound statement. Now next is truth table. So before discussing briefly the concept of logical operators, I want to discuss what is truth table. So truth table is a table which represents all the possible values of logical variables or statements along with all the possible results of the combination of values. Right, students? So what is a truth table? Try to understand that truth table is a table which represent all the possible values of logical variables or statements along with all the possible results of the given combination of values. So I will discuss the concept of truth table. Again, truth table is variety types of truth table. That is, one is tautology and another one is fallacy. I will discuss later that what is tautology and what is fallacy. But next, we will discuss the logical operators briefly so that I can use the concept of truth table. Right, students? So now we will discuss the logical NOT operator. Okay, here. Logical NOT operator is a type of unary operator. That means it operates on single variable, single operand. Right, students? And NOT operator is denoted by bar symbol. Bar symbol, that means this is bar symbol. So what symbol we will use? If our variable is x, then not x, that is x bar. That is complement of x. You can read as complement of x. Right, students? Now I will draw the truth table of logical NOT operator. Logical NOT operator is one unary operator. It works on single operand or logical variables. So here, if I want to draw the truth table of NOT operator, then as I told now that it works on single variable only, single operand only, right? So if x is one logical variable, then not x denoted by x bar, right, students? So if one logical variable we have, then do you know how many truth values are there? So if one logical variable we have, then there is a formula, students, that is 2 to the power n. What is n? N is the number of logical variables. So if n is 1, then 2 to the power 1, because one variable I have now. So two input combinations are there. This is the formula, students. So you have to understand or you have to remember this. So if you have only a single variable, then how many input combinations do you have? That is 2 to the power 1. That is 2 input combinations you have. Right, students? Now, if one logical statement we have, then two values. Either that one is true or that one is false. So now you can see x value equal to maybe 0 or maybe 1. If the value of x equal to 0, then now you can see not x. Not x means what? Not operator says that the opposite value of x. Right, students? Opposite of x. So if the x value is false, then not x equal to true. If the value of x equal to true, then not x equal to false. Is that clear, students? So this is the truth table of logical NOT operator. Hope you all of you understood the concept. Next operator is logical OR. So here, just please take the screenshot. Now second type operator, that is our logical OR operator. Logical OR operator, denoted by plus symbol. Here, students, you need to remember that logical NOT is only the unary operator. That means it works on single operand. But logical OR operator works on two or more operands, right? Similarly, logical AND also. So how many variables? Minimum variables we do require. Two minimum variables we require here. So here the truth table will be, if we have two logical variables, then students, according to our formula, how many input combinations do we have? So if we have two logical variables, then n value equal to what? N value equal to 2. So here 2 to the power n. So n value equal to 2 here, because two variables we have, x and y. So that is 4. Now we have 4 input combinations. Right, students? So this is the truth table of logical OR operator. Now how will you denote the expression, logical expression? That is x plus y. Right, students? Now just put the values. So 4 input combinations will be there. So you have to put the values 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So 4 unique input combinations are here. Right, students? Now see, students, this is very important to understand that logical OR operator says that if all the values of input combination is false, then your answer is false. What I told now, if all the values of input combinations are false, then your answer is false, otherwise true. If any input combination is 1, then your x plus y will equal to 1. Right, students? So this is the important point of OR operator. So OR operator says that If all the values of input combinations are false, then your output is false. Otherwise, your outputs are true. Right, students? So this is about your logical or operator. Now next I will discuss logical AND operator. Logical AND operator is denoted by dot. Right, students? So here two variables truth table. After that I will discuss that three variable truth table also. So AND operator says that operator symbol is dot, so x dot y. But students, you have to remember, if we will write that x dot y, then it is okay. But if your expression will be like this, xy, then you have to understand that in between x and y, no operator is there. That means there is one logical AND operator is there, right? So logical AND operator is also known as logical multiplication. Right, students? So here, if no operator is there, then you have to understand there is AND operator. That means you have to read x and y. Right, students? So let us draw the truth table. And here, how many input combinations will be there? If two variables, 2 to the power n, that is 4 input combinations will be there. Just put the values 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Right, students? So now, logical AND operator says that if all the values of input combinations are true, then your output is true. Right, students? If all the input combinations are true, then your output is true. Otherwise, your output is false. If any false signal will be there, false value will be there, then your output is false. This is about your logical AND operator. Right, students? So please take the screenshot. Friends, after discussing the concept of logical operators, logical variables, truth values, now we will implement some Boolean expressions. That means evaluation of Boolean expressions using truth tables. Right, students? So what is the meaning of Boolean expressions? Like logical expressions are also known as Boolean expressions. That means Boolean expression is the combination of logical variables and as well as the logical operators. Right, students? So here already I have written some questions. Now I have to implement all these Boolean expressions, evaluate all these Boolean expressions by using truth tables. Right, students? So already this question, x plus x bar y. Here, x plus x bar y. Now students, you can see if you have one logical expression or Boolean expression, first you want to think about how many different variables are there, right? So here x, this is also x bar, that means x, and y, right, students? So two different variables we have. So if we have two different variables, now you know how to draw the truth table of two variables, right? So here, just I want to make the truth table, that is variable x, this variable name is y. And if you have two variables, two logical variables, then you know that 4 input combinations will be there, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Right, students? Now, x, already the values of x are there. Similarly, x bar, y. So here no operator is mentioned, so you have to understand that AND operator is there. Right, students? So x bar y, here AND operator is there. But before getting the value of x bar y, you have to find out the value of x bar, right? Because you know that not operator is what? Not operator is one unary operator. That means it operates on single operand only, single variable only. So first you have to find out the value of not x, then you have to find out the value of x bar y, then you have to find out the value of whole expression, that is x plus x bar y. Right, students? So here, see, if value of x equal to 0, right? The value of x equal to 0, then in this case, what is the value of x bar? Complement of x, not x, that is 1. Again, the value of x equal to 0, so it is 1. And here also the value of x is 1 now, so the value not x equal to 0. In this case, not x equal to 0. Right, students? Now you have to find out the value of x bar dot y, right? So what are the values of y? Already this column, the values are there. So now you have to implement the values of the output of x bar and y. So 0 dot 1, 1 dot 1, 0 dot 0, 1 dot 0. So students, already you just try to recall that AND operator says that if all the input combinations are true, then your output is true. Otherwise, 0 dot 1, it is 0, 0 dot 0, it is 0, 1 dot 0, it is 0. Right, students? So now we have got the value of this small expression, that is x bar dot y. Now here, I want to find out that value of the output of the whole expression. Okay. So I have got the individual output of this particular expression. Now you have to apply the OR operator of this particular output to this input values, right? So here it is 0. So 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1. You know that OR operator says that if one true value is there, then your output is 1. Here 1, here 1. Now the value, the output of x plus x bar y equal to 0, 1, 1 and 1. Right, students? Hope you all of you understood that how to evaluate a Boolean expression by using a truth table. Now, second question I want to discuss, that is question number 2. Right? So, what is that question number 2 says? This is your question number 2. X bar y bar plus x bar y. Right, students? So, now also you think how many different variables are there? Here, 2 different variables are there. Is that clear? 2 different variables are there. So, if 2 variables are there, then 4 input combinations are there. This is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. X and y 2 different variables are there. So, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. Right, students? Okay. Now, here one term is x bar y bar, second term is x bar y, but no operator is there. So, you have to understand that AND operator is there. Similarly, here also AND operator is there and not operator is there. So, first you have to find out the individual output of x bar. Next, you have to find out the individual value or output of y bar. Then you have to find out that what is the value of x bar and y bar. Right, students? Next, you have to find out what is the value of x bar dot y. After that, you have to find out the output of whole expression. And what is your expression name? That is x bar dot y bar plus x bar y. Right, students? So, this is your whole expression. Okay. Now, let us solve this. So, first, not x. If x will be equal to 0, then this is 1, 1. Here it is 0 and 0. Similarly, not y. 0. That is 1, 1. It will be 0, 0, 1 हो जाएगा. And 1 आपकी 0 हो जाएगी. Right, students? Now, students, you have to find out that value of x bar and y bar. AND operator, try to recall. AND operator says that if all the input combinations are true, then your output is true. This is x bar and this is y bar. So, 1.1, 1, 1.0, 0, 0.1, that is also 0, 0.0, 0. Okay. Now, this term, x bar dot y. So, which one is our x bar? This particular column, and this is our y. So, here you need to find out 0.1, that is 0.1, that is 0, 1.1, that is 1, 0.0, again it is 0, 1.0, that is 0. Right, students? Okay. Now, here already we have got the output of this particular term and we have got the output of this. So, now you have to apply the OR operator. So, 1 plus 0, that is 1, 0 plus 1, that is 1, 0 plus 0, that is 0, and 0 plus 0, that is 0. Right, students? So, here the truth table of this Boolean expression x bar dot y bar plus x bar dot y is this one. Hope you all of you understood the concept. So, please students take the screenshot of this particular answer. Okay. Now, next question, that is x bar y z bar plus x y bar. So, here let me draw the truth table of 3 variables. Right, students? Now, how do you represent the truth table of 3 variables? Again, you have to apply the formula, that is 2 to the power n, where n is the number of variables, that is 2 to the power 3. So, 8 input combinations will be there. Right, students? If you have 3 logical variables, then how many input combinations will be there? 8 input combinations will be there. So, x column, y column, this is your z column. Right, students? X, y and z. And how many input combinations do you have? 8 input combinations. This is 3, this is 4, this is your 5th row, 6th row, 7th and 8th row. Right? After that, here the term is x bar, y, z bar. So, individually you need to find out the value of x bar, then z bar also. Is not it? Okay. Now, okay. Next, y bar also you have to find out. So, here I need to write the value of y bar. Then, you have to find out the value of x bar, y, z bar. Similarly, after that, you have to find out the value of x, y bar. Okay. Now, if I will represent the expression to f, then here I have to find out the value of whole expression in this column. Right, students? Okay. So, in this way, you have to draw the truth table of this particular Boolean expression, that is x bar dot y dot z bar plus x dot y bar. Right, students? Now, how will you implement this, evaluate this? First, put the input values 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. See, all the input combinations are unique. Right, students? So, here 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, it is 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Right, students? Actually, these are the binary representation of decimal value 0. Similarly, it is the binary representation of 1. This is 2. This is your 3. This is 4. This is 5, 6, 7. Right? So, next is x bar. Okay, students, so find out the value of, if the value of x equal to 0, then what is the value of not x? 1, 1, 1, 1. Here 0, 0, 0, 0. Now z bar. Z bar is this one. So 0 will be 1, 1 will be 0, 0 will be 1, 1 will be 0. Again, this 0 will be 1, this 1 will be 0, this 0 will be 1, this 1 will be 0. Right, students? Now, y. So 0, 0, 1, 1. So you have to find out the value of not y. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. Because 1 will be 0, this 1 will be 0. Right, students? Okay. After getting the output of x bar, y bar and z bar, now you have to find out the value of x bar, y, z bar. Right, students? So which one is x bar? This one. Y, this one. Z bar, this one. Right, students? So here you can see AND operator is there. Here one AND operator, here another AND operator. So AND operator says that if any input value is false, then your output is false, right? So in this column you will get that 0. So your answer is 0. Here also your answer is 0. Now here it is 1. So you need to check the value of x bar and z bar, right? X bar value is 1. Z bar value is also 1. So 1 dot 1 dot 1, so it is 1. Right, students? Similarly, in this case, again you need to check it is 1, 1, 0. So 0, here 0, so answer is 0. Here it is 0, so answer is 0. Here it is 1, but x bar will be equal to 0. So your output is 0. Similarly, here it is 1, but x bar and z bar is 0. So your output is 0. Right, students? Now x, y bar. So x column, this is your x column. This is your y bar column. And dot operator is there. AND operator is there. AND operator says that if any value, any input value is false, then your output is false. So 0 dot 0. Obviously, 0 dot, your y bar is 1. That is 0. Again 0, 0, 0. Now it is 1. So you have to check the value of y bar. So y bar value is 1. So it is 1. Similarly, here it is 1. And y bar value is 1. So it is 1. But here in this place, y bar values are 0 and 0. So your answer is 0 and 0. Right, students? Now next we have to find out the value of this and this, but here plus operator is there. Okay, so this is our whole expression, final expression. 0 plus 0, that is 0, 0 plus 0, that is 0, 1 plus 0, 1, again 0 plus 0 equal to 0, 0 plus 1 equal to 1, 0 plus 1 equal to 1, 0 plus 0 equal to 0, 0 plus 0 equal to 0. So this is the output of whole expression, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. So hope you all of you understood the concept. So kindly take the screenshot of this particular Boolean expression. How to evaluate the truth table of this particular Boolean expression? Please take that screenshot. Okay, students. Now question number 4. See, students, what the question number 4 says. Question number 4 says, using Boolean logic, verify using truth table that x plus xy equal to x. Right, students? Very simple question. You have to verify. Verify means here, if this one is LHS part, this is your RHS part. So you have to prove that LHS equal to RHS. Right, students? Let me draw the truth table of two variables. This is one x and this is our y. And here first term is x dot y. Next your x plus x dot y. Now we have to just put the input combinations. That is two variables. So 4 input combinations are there. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. 4 input combinations are there. Right, students? Now you have to find out the value of x dot y. So x dot y dot operator, AND operator. AND operator says that if all the input combinations are true, then your output is true. 1 dot 1 equal to 1. Rest of, because all these 3 input combinations, you can see one variable having the value false. Here it is false, here it is false, like that. Okay. Now x plus x dot y. See, x will equal to 0. So 0 plus 0, it is 0. 0 plus 0, it is 0. 1 plus 0, this is 1. 1 plus 1, this is 1. Now you can see, is LHS part equal to RHS? This is your LHS part. This is your RHS part. So 0 equal to 0, yes. 0 equal to 0, yes. 1 equal to 1, yes. 1 equal to 1, yes. So now it is verified. Right, students? So in this way, you can verify any Boolean expressions also. Okay. Last concept of truth table, that is tautology and fallacy. These are the types of truth table. One is our tautology and second one is our fallacy. So what is the meaning of tautology and fallacy? So tautology is what? The result of any logical statement is always true. If the result of any logical statement is always true, then for all input combinations, then it is known as tautology. Similarly, what is fallacy? If the result of any logical statement is always false for all the input combinations, then that is known as fallacy. Right, students? Let us take one example. Suppose x plus x bar, one logical statement, logical Boolean expression, x plus x bar. So what the tautology says, if the result of any logical expression is always true for all the input combinations, then that one is known as what? That one is known as tautology. So students, let us draw the truth table. Here only one variable ahead, that is x, and another one is not x. Okay. If x will equal to 0, if x will equal to 1, so not x will be 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. Now you see x plus x bar, right? 0 plus 1 it is 1, 1 plus 0 it is 1. So here, this is such a logical expression. The result of this particular logical expression always true for all input combinations. So this expression is known as tautology. Now you can write down that x plus x bar is always 1. So this is the example of tautology. Hope all of you understood the concept. Now next one is fallacy. The same. If I will say x dot x bar, right students? Always the output is 0. Let us draw the truth table of x dot x bar. Here one variable I have, that is x. So if you have one variable, then the input combinations are 0 or 1. Then what is about your not x? 1 and 0, because 0 will be 1, 1 will be 0. Now x dot x bar. See, 0 dot 1, 0, 1 dot 0, 0. So this is a such type of truth table, then the output is always false. That this is such type of logical expression, Boolean expression. Here all the time you will get the output as false. So this is known as fallacy. Right students? So truth table, there are two types of truth table. One is tautology and another one is fallacy. टोटोलॉजी एक ऐसा ट्रूथ टेबल है जिसका आउटपुट हमेशा ट्रू होगा, चाहे कोई भी इनपुट कॉम्बिनेशन हो उसका आउटपुट हमेशा ट्रू होगा. बट व्हाट इज फॉलेसी? फॉलेसी एक ऐसा ट्रूथ टेबल है जिसमें आप कुछ भी इनपुट कॉम्बिनेशन हो उसका आउटपुट हमेशा फॉल्स होगा. राइट स्टूडेंट्स? होप यू ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड द कांसेप्ट. सो this is about that logical operators and how do you evaluate that Boolean expressions by using the truth table. So thank you students. Next video, that is part 2, you can see, you can get the logic gates, right? You can get the concept of logic gate. How can you draw the logic circuit of any Boolean expression? In this video, I have described how can you draw the truth table of any Boolean expression. Right students? Next video, I will discuss about the logic circuit. So watch my videos, like it, share it with your friends, and of course comment it, and please subscribe my channel, and you can ask your queries in the comment section, and obviously I will clear the same in my upcoming videos. Thank you students.